Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you had a good weekend. So I, Shonali Biswas of Central Academy Indira Nagar, is back with another presentation of science class. So let's begin with part 4 of chapter 1, that is food and its sources. So let's do a quick revision of what we studied till now. We all know that without food, living beings cannot survive. So it is important for us to know where our food actually comes from, right? So food contains nutrients, and nutrients are the energy producing substances that provides our body with the ability to do various activities like speaking, drinking, breathing, listening, etc. Then we discussed a little bit about staple food. So food items that we eat in major portions on a daily basis are called staple food, and food that we eat, it comes from both plant and animal sources, and different plant parts such as fruits, stems, flowers, leaves and seeds are eaten as food. So children, can you name a few food products that is derived from animals? Well, I'm sure you must have named a few of them like milk, egg, fish, butter, etc. So let's take a look on all the food products that are obtained from the animals. Animals as a source of food. Not all of our food that we eat comes from plants. Some of the food that we eat also come from animals. For example, fish, egg, chicken, mutton, etc. So a good portion of the food that we eat every day comes from animals that are mostly cattle. Now, what are cattle? Cattle animals are basically the farmed animals that are specifically raised for our food requirements. Animal products too are a rich source of some nutrients, such as they contain high amount of protein and fat, and also they contain good amount of vitamin B12 and vitamin D. These vitamins are not found in a variety of plant foods. Now, many food items use a combination of foods from animals and plant sources. For example, biscuits. Flour, butter and milk are combined in the right proportions and are baked to form biscuits. Now, flour is produced from wheat, which is a food from plant, while butter and milk, these are obtained from a cow, hence are the food that are sourced from an animal. Please ask your questions now, and in case if everything is clear to you, then please wait for the next part, which will be uploaded in the next 10 minutes. Thank you.